Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our online English tutorial, day 9. Let's spot again some errors in this sentence. I practice our dance for over an hour now and hasn't taken a break. Actually, we can see two errors here, practice and hasn't taken. Unahin muna natin yung practice. So, mali siya dahil sa part na to. Over an hour now. Pag may inclusion yung mga sentences ng mga phrases indicating time duration, specifically yung mga nangyari na in the past tapos nangyayari pa rin sa present and maaari pa rin mangyari sa future, which is proven sa sentence na to dahil sa part nito hasn't taken a break, meaning hindi pa rin humihinto. So yung mga ganito, ginagamitan to ng present perfect progressive. So yung format ng tense na to ay has or have plus been plus ing form of the main verb. So in the sentence, yung ginamit dito is simple present. At para maging tama siya, kailangang I've been practicing. Yung next error naman is hasn't taken. So ano ang mali? May subject-verb disagreement na nangyari sa part na to. Take note na nasa present perfect progressive tayo, so dapat ma-maintain natin yung kanyang verb tense consistency. Have dapat yung gagamitin natin para ma-match siya dun sa subject na I.